City legend, Chatelaine Goldstein. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ryder Hardin Pastor. Let's hear it for our out-of-town guest, Jay Breezy. Let's hear it for Chris Valentine. Let's hear it for our first timer, Christian Cole. Let's hear it for our illusionist, Duncan Sider. Here's choreographer and backup dancer, Miss Kathy Banta. All right, the men of Desire. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Oliver Cummings. Let's hear it for Justin Bieber. Let's hear it for Mr. Kenny G-Spot. And our highly dysfunctional couple. And she is the diva that goes along with all the dudes. She is the one and only Ashley Cole. She is the here this evening, the one and only Martina Shaker. I love how to get her introduced myself. And he is the current reigning king and one of the founders of the Desire Troupe, Mr. AJ Goodland. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. Without all of you, we're just boys and girls dressed as the opposite. We thank you for coming out, support the local arts, have a good time, get a cocktail, take a drag king home.